lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel I do show you all how to do easy beginner friendly makeup looks. This particular video is for makeup beginners. I want to show you all how to apply your foundation, your concealer, and your contour. I think it's safe to say that these three products are three of the most important products when you want to learn how to do your makeup. If you have your foundation, concealer, and contour products already, use this video to follow along. I'll be showing you the exact places to put everything. Right now you can see me blending in my foundation. This foundation is made by MAC and it's their line Match Master. Because I'm only using three products today, I want to make sure that I have this foundation completely blended in and even on all sides. And what I mean by even on all sides is making sure that there are no patches in my foundation. Here's an example. Now I'll go to the top of my forehead, blend it out, and make sure everything is even. If you've made it this far in the video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Also, visit my channel's homepage to catch up on any makeup videos you may have missed. If you're a beginner doing your makeup, I want to make sure that you can quickly find all of my beginner tutorials. So I'll be adding this video to a brand new playlist created specifically for beginner makeup. If you've been doing your makeup following along while watching this video, here I am just checking to make sure that everything is blended exactly how I want it to be. Now I'll be showing you where to place your concealer. These are three other concealers that some people like to use, and if you are using that right now today, that's totally fine. I just use Juvia's Place because right now it's one of my favorites. When you're ready to start blending again, make sure that you use the clean side of your beauty blender or a different brush. We want to keep our concealer separate from our foundation because when we're applying concealer, we only want to highlight specific areas. Now you'll see me blending this in, and I'm just taking my time working under my eye. I'll do my forehead next, and I'll make sure I have this blended nice and smooth so the foundation and the concealer won't have any sharp lines. As a reminder, we're only using three products in this video because we're learning the basics of what it is to start a makeup look. So it's okay if your look doesn't seem complete. We're really just learning how to put on foundation, where to put concealer, and where to put our contour and how to put them on. The videos to come will move into the next steps of doing your makeup or how to do your makeup. For an example, we'll learn eyeshadow, where to put blush, what kind of primer to use, what kind of setting powder to use, how to bake. We'll learn those things in videos to come. But right now, this video is for the basics. Okay, so next we'll be applying our contour. I'll be using that L'Oreal shade stick for my contour, and I like to angle it directly from the end of my eye, right under my temple on top of my cheekbone, and I put 3 dots there to blend out later. I hope this video has been helpful for all of the makeup beginners out there. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on my channel, and also come back to visit. I have a lot of makeup videos posted that you can watch to learn new makeup ideas, tips, and get some makeup inspiration. If you have any questions about products or links to get products, make sure you drop a comment below. And if you've learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. When we begin to blend out our contour, be careful to not drag the blender or your brush down. We want to pat everything in place, nice and gentle. Don't drag it down, but just pat, pat, pat. We want that contour to stay in the place that it's in. Applying contour is the makeup step that helps you sculpt your face. Contouring can give you the illusion of having higher cheekbones, a sharp jawline, and a smaller forehead. Take your time while blending. If you think you need to go back to redo something or blend some more, go for it. When you're doing your makeup, you can never go wrong with blending more. all done. We just learned how to do our makeup using only foundation, concealer, and contour. See you. Come back for more.